After the second project period, you may need to do another status report on your project. So we're going to set up another status date and keep tracking our project. Again, go to project, and this time you can simply use this box and change the status date. Our next status date will be 2 more weeks later on July 28th. And we click OK here and make sure you see the change on the status dates. Otherwise, the result may not reflect the real project progress. This is the tracking table, and if you're not here, you can go to the View tab and use the tables here. Drop down, make sure that you are on the tracking table. After we complete defined requirements, we can start the software and hardware part altogether. Remember last time we used %complete to enter the status of the tasks, and you can also do it by entering the actual start or finish time. So for example, for design logic, we know that we actually start on this task on July 15th. The planned duration for this task is 3 days. However, it actually took 4 days to complete it. So we actually completed on 18th. By entering this piece of information, you will see that this task is 100% complete. The actual duration is 4 days. The actual cost will be slightly different from our planning cost as well to reflect this delay. Then for design database, we started in the next Monday, which is 21st. The planned duration is 2 days, and it took 2 days, so we finished this task on 22nd. The actual duration is 2 days, 100% complete, and the actual cost is listed here. After that, code A has been started on 23rd, and for now we know the starting time, and we know that by the second status date we have been working on it for 4 days. You can enter the actual duration 4 days. The remaining duration is adjusted to 3 days based on the planned duration, but the actual work may take 4 more days to complete, so you can overwrite this remaining duration to 4 days. This task is 50% complete here, and no actual finish date will show till we complete this task. In the meantime, for hardware, we got delayed on this task and only have it start on 21st Monday of July. We finished it on the same day. There was a waiting period before we can start to assemble hardware. We need to wait for 6 more days for the shipment. This assemble hardware will not be able to start before our second status date. So we're going to stop it here. To track your tasks, you can enter the % completion, you can enter the actual start or finish time, or you can enter the actual duration and the remaining duration. The rest of information will be calculated automatically by the program, and you can override it if it's not what actually happened in your project. After we have tracked all the tasks, you will see that our Gantt chart has changed. Some of the critical tasks are not critical anymore, but some not critical tasks become critical because the delay of the previous tasks.